Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. This is June mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aquarius, air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Aquarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Okay guys, so let's see. Aquarius, children's involved in this connection for some. Sorry, cards are jumping. Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups and the Star under the deck. So there is some positive shift is coming into your life, Aquarius, especially in the month of June. And I think you are giving priority to yourself. This is self-love. For some, a new person, brand new person is coming into your life and with a lot of passion. I think you're focusing on your career with a lot of passion right now. But someone is coming with a lot of passion and to offer their cup of love to you. So let's see your reading recent past, Page of Cups, Knight of Wands and Six of Swords. Someone approached you with an apology or they communicated with you and that person is very, very passionate about you. Maybe I think they are in and out of your life, but they are very interested in you. Yeah, there was some type of communication to fix the things between you and your person had happened in past. Then present, Page of Swords, Knight of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. So someone is spying on you on social media. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. Children's souls involved in this connection. So this your person is very immature. And Knight of Pentacles. So this relationship is in very, very slow moving. And for some, a brand new person is coming into your life, but they are in slow moving energy. And Eight of Pentacles, you are focusing on your career, on your abundance, Aquarius. You are working hard to achieve your goals. Then future, Four of Cups, Ten of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. I think you're feeling bored, you're feeling lonely. Even though when you are in relationship with this person, something is missing. Maybe there is no equal give and take. Maybe they are always in and out of your life. You want stability. You are missing stability in this connection. And Page of Pentacles, again communication text is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So 10 of Wands, 5 of Wands, under the deck 7 of Swords. Oh my God. Heavy energy. So right now your person feeling overburdened. Maybe their emotions are running high. But there is lot of drama is going, guys. Maybe they're saying one thing, doing another things. Trust issues also. Maybe you're not trusting this person. There is no trust between both of you. Especially you're not trusting this person. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Let's see their current feeling. Again, 5 of Wands. This person may be toxic for you guys. Very dark energy, very negative vibes. Eight of Wands with Six of Wands, but there is lots of communication is coming in your way. They will communicate you very soon, and they want success in this connection. Now they started missing you. This person toxic for you, definitely negative energy, very dark energy, but there is lots of communication is coming in your way. And Six of Wands, yeah, they want success in this connection and they want to fix the things with you, and the person involved in this connection could be especially Capricorn, but there is lot of drama is going right now. So let's see their intentions. And they are obsessed with you, lot of obsession. Aquarius, I think there is no stability in this connection. That's why you're feeling lonely, you're feeling alone. Even though when you are with this person. So 10 of Swords, Judgment and 9 of Swords. So Page of Wands and Three of Pentacles. There is communication is coming in your way and they want to work on this relationship. Now they want partnership with you and they are in the process of making decision, Aquarius. Because Judgment, for some, maybe your person going through some legal problems also. Right now they're missing you so much, but be careful. Maybe this person is toxic for you, but they are missing you so much. And they still want rebirth in this connection, even though they are in 10 of Swords energy. They're very tired and they're very drained. But they still want to be with you and they still want to work on this relationship. Yes. So, let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Ace of Swords, truth coming out and communication with clarity, and Chariot and Eight of Cups with Two of Swords. Maybe they want to leave behind everything which had happened between you and your person. Now they're wanting you back and they will make a move towards you because the Chariot, and they will communicate with you with clarity. So it's up to you totally to accept or reject. For some, definitely this person is toxic for you guys. You are focusing on your abundance, you are focusing on your career. And Ace of Cups, yes, you are giving priority to yourself, you are loving yourself. For some, a brand new person is coming into your life, but you are giving priority yourself and you are taking your control back totally. Yes, there is some positive shift is coming into your life. So let's see the mutual. Lord of course. Yeah, Three of Pentacles. With, I think, yes, you also wishing for this connection, but now you're focusing on yourself, you are taking your control back, but they are coming back to work on this relationship. Yes, for some there will be reconciliation, guys. For some it depends on your situation totally. You have to make decision according to your situations. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aquarius. Soulmates, free yourself. Yes, free yourself. Reconciliation. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. I'm feeling sad without your mask. So the messages are soulmates, free yourself, reconciliation. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. I'm feeling sad without you. So these are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Your hard work is paying off. New Moon in Capricorn, Capricorn energy. And the other message, what you need, you release Waxing Moon. So if you are thinking about someone negatively, you are getting a lot of negative thoughts, you have to release negativity and negative thoughts also. Because sometimes negative thoughts also create resistance in the connection. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe.